Today in front of me I have OPPO A57s, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, of course, sign in if needed. Next, at the search bar type in Opera. Once you have gotten the search results and found the needed app, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can just go ahead and launch the app, as well as, it is needed that we undergo a very simple setup procedure. That's the one-time deal, the first time you open the Opera. So in here, tap on the allow option, continue, decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right away. I'll skip this step. And finally, you can either customize the permissions that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the application. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.